To be discussed Next question to be discussed is question number 36. This 36 question number says there is this kind of inclined plane at angle 15 degree, and from this point to this point there is a gap, say it is called ditch. Okay, means from this point A to B there is no surface. Okay, there is just, now here is a biker who comes with velocity. What velocity the biker should come, so that when he should successfully clear this gap, this ditch. Now the distance between these 2 points A and B is given 11.7 feet. Now here we can think that if this particular biker has projectile range is equal to 11.7 feet, then it will cover it. But it is a misconception. Look here, its front wheel is here. If this biker covers 11.7 feet, then its front wheel will be here at point B, but rear wheel will be in the air and it will fall back. So we should have the situation that when biker reaches on the next side, then its rear wheel must be here where I have drawn the diagram. Got it? So now the range, initially it will be like this, the biker will be like this. So the length of the bike will also get added into the range, which is 5 feet. Total becomes 16.7 feet. The angle here will also be 15 degree, so angle of projection becomes same, 15 degree. Now our requirement is range must be greater than equal to 16.7. if it is greater, then also it will reach the other side. Now we have the formula u square sin 2 theta by g is greater than equals to 11.7. I placed u square greater than equals to 11.7 into g upon sine 2 theta. Theta is 15, it becomes 30 degree. G, as I told in the previous problem, 32.2. U square is this, and I simply calculate it. Then I take the critical condition. If it is greater, then it is far safe, and if it is exactly equal, then it is critical condition. Just it will be clearing the distance. So solving this, we get approximately 32 feet per second. Got it? Here the thing which need to be carefully taken, that this distance of the biker to be added in the range, this length of the biker, why to be added? Reason is clear. This front wheel will not lie here, its rear wheel should lie here, so the biker will be safe and the bike will also be safe. Got it? Now come to problem number 37. 37 problem says that a person throws something from point A to directly this point P. Means this person wants to throw the ball from A to directly P. So he straight away throws in this direction, AP. If there was no gravity, okay, if there were no gravity, then the ball would have been moved straight from A to P. But there is gravity, so it will move in a horizontal projectile motion, you call simply, but it is not completely horizontal, but definitely it will be projectile path. Then how to solve it? This height AB is given 171 feet. Okay. Now question is that if the person throws straight to point P, then the ball will fall short, definitely. What that shortfall distance will be. In this diagram you can see that this is distance BP is given to 28 feet. Now it will fall at this distance x. Fall short means we need to calculate D, the amount of shortfall. Now to solve this problem, this is the direction of U. Suppose this angle is alpha, this will also be alpha. Then this component here will be U cos alpha, and here the component will be U sin alpha. Okay, the x distance traveled is equal to uxt, as usually you do in the projectile problem. U cos alpha t, y is equal to u by t plus, this time plus, because gravity it is, we will take x axis, y axis downwards positive, because u sin alpha is downward, g is downward, so there will be a plus sign, not minus. So y equals to u sin alpha t plus half of gt square. Now in this question we have the information about y. X is to be calculated. Before that, actually we are going to deal with cos alpha, sin alpha and all this, so let's have a check over this. This, in this triangle here, it is triangle APP. This is alpha, this height is 171, this is 228. Okay, now if I calculate tan alpha, then tan alpha is 171 by 228. It is 0.75 or 3 by 4. Then the problem becomes simple for us. Then this triangle is 3, 4, 5 right angle triangle, very well known. For this we can calculate sin alpha, which is 3 by 5, and cos alpha is 4 by 5. Now we come to this calculation. Y equals to u sin alpha t plus half of gt square. Y is 171 feet, u is 15 feet per second given in the question. Sin alpha 3 by 5 into t plus half of g, again 32.2 feet per second square into t square. This is a quadratic, it can be easily solved. We will have value of t equals to 3 seconds. Then x equals to u cos alpha t. Now we are going to solve the final problem. What is the x? X is this. Okay, u cos alpha t. U cos alpha is 4 by 5 into 3. T is 3 seconds. We get 36 seconds. 36 feet. This x is 36. Then this d distance is 220 minus 228 minus 36. It is 192 feet. This is our answer. What did all these questions had the values in feet, yard, and that's not a big deal. Now you can understand easily. Okay.